Understanding the word vigilant, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the word vigilant. Whether you've come across this word in a book, heard it in a conversation, or seen it in the news, it's a powerful word to understand and use correctly. So, let's dive in and explore what vigilant really means. The word vigilant is an adjective, and it describes a state of being alert and attentive. When someone is vigilant, they are carefully watching for possible danger or difficulties. It comes from the Latin word vigilans, which means watchful. A vigilant person does not let their guard down. They are always on the lookout, ready to act if necessary. For example, a security guard at a shopping mall needs to be vigilant. They watch the surveillance cameras, observe the shoppers, and are ready to respond if they see anything suspicious. Now that we know what vigilant means, let's see how we can use it in sentences. 1. The mother kept a vigilant eye on her children at the playground, making sure they were safe. 2. During the exam, the teacher was vigilant, ensuring that no student was cheating. 3. After the recent increase in burglaries, the neighborhood watch group has been more vigilant than ever. In all of these sentences, vigilant describes a state of being alert and ready to respond to potential problems. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help deepen your understanding of vigilant. Synonyms: alert, being quick to notice and respond to danger or unusual circumstances. Watchful, keeping careful watch for possible danger or difficulties. Attentive, paying close attention to something. Antonyms: negligent, failing to take proper care in doing something. Inattentive, not paying attention to something. Careless, not giving sufficient attention or thought to avoiding harm or errors. Now, let's talk about how to pronounce vigilant. The first syllable is pronounced like vig in vigor. The second syllable is like I in bit. The third syllable is pronounced like lant in slant. Put it all together, and you get vig-I-lant. And that's it for today's lesson on the word vigilant. Remember, being vigilant means being alert and ready to respond to potential dangers or problems. It's a great word to add to your vocabulary, especially if you want to describe someone's attentive and watchful behavior. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to practice using vigilant in your own sentences to really make it stick. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.